In this quick tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create a file with multiple artboards in Adobe Illustrator. So in Illustrator, we're going to click New File, and here we're going to choose maybe a preset. There are lots of presets. You can give in whatever width or height you want to use. But as you can see here, the artboards, which will be set to standard 1, but you can increase it. You can say, I want, let's say, 7. And then you also have the advanced options where you can choose the raster effects, the color mode, and all those things. You have more settings in which you can adjust more things, but the basic is if you create a new document, you can choose how many artboards you want to use. And if you then click Create, Illustrator will think, and as you can see, we now have 7 artboards, which can be helpful if you're creating things for social media or for advertising. You have all these artboards at once. You can also, in the artboards window, add a new artboard, or you can say that you just want a plus here for a new artboard, and another artboard, and another artboard, and another one. But yeah, you can also rearrange all your artboards with this button here, and then choose the layout order in whichever way you want to add them. But that's the way you can create a new file with multiple artboards. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new videos going live every week. And for now, stay creative. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next one.